guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April if this is your first time here, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So in today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to show you how I style and curl my hair. I am a licensed cosmetologist, however, I do not do hair. I went to school, I took the test, I'm still paying Sally Mae, but I do not do hair. Makeup is my thing, makeup is my life. The best thing I got out of hair school is my best friend. Like, that's it. Other than that, I still know how to do the same stuff that I knew how to do before I went to hair school. So I paid, what, 13, 14, 15,000, or maybe it was like $20,000 for my best friend. Yes. I pretty much paid to have a friend. So sad. If you want to see how I curl my hair and style it and want to hang out with me for a few minutes, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to take off my bonnet so y'all can see what's going on under here. And it's not pretty. I went to the gym this morning, so it's a lot going on. So usually when I leave the gym, I'll come home, get in the shower, get dressed, and look, it's just like literally a matted mess under here. I haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks because this is a glue-in. So I'm gonna try to wash just like my leave out tomorrow since I'll be off, which is what I'll do with the glue-in. I'll just wash the leave out and then like the edges. And then next week I'll probably take this all out and start over. The first thing I like to do is split the hair in two and just brush it out with a paddle brush. Like, try to get all the knots entangled out. Because I don't wrap this at night, I literally just throw a bonnet on. Put it in a ponytail. Sometimes I don't even put it in a ponytail. I'll just put a bonnet on and let it do its thing. So I like to brush all that out. And this hair is just like Ultra purple pack hair in I think 14 inches. It's not expensive hair at all. But what I love about this hair is that it does last a good amount of time. So like even brushed out, I could leave it as is. But I do want to do like a little something. So I'm going to just take my brush, section off a piece. And then I'm going to take, I think this is an inch and a half. I'm not really sure, guys. I've had it so long, and I believe I got this at like Walmart, CVS, I don't know, something like that. And I'll just wrap the hair around the barrel, leaving the clamp open like this. So you see how I can move the clamp up and down. I'm not wrapping it around the entire thing, just the barrel, and I'm leaving the end piece out. And I'm just gonna pull it down like that. So it's just gonna look like this. And then I'm gonna grab another piece, wrap it around, hold it. And I don't have like a time limit on it. I'll just hold it until I think it's done. Some pieces, if I want it more curlier or like more of a wavier look, then I will hold it longer. If I just want some like bend to it, then I will use a shorter period of time. And then sometimes if I want like a tighter curl, I'll also do smaller pieces. If I want like a looser wave, then I will just do bigger pieces. As of right now, I'm curling it towards my face, and then sometimes I will curl it like away from my face. It all depends. I really don't have a rhyme or reason on how I curl my hair. It's just whatever happens. So this piece I am curling away from my face. I will say the closer that I get to my face, I like to curl it away from my face because I don't like it curled like to my face. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? So when I get to the front, I like to separate my real hair. So I like to separate my real hair from it because I'm gonna curl that separately with a flat iron. And the reason that I'm using this instead of a like wand is because I had a wand and then I can't find the wand. I think I let 2 different people hold my wand and I never got them back, or I got them back and I couldn't find, I don't know. The difference between this and like a wand is like my curls aren't as tight. So it's more so like a wave than a curl. So I don't know if you can see, but this is what it's looking like. So then next we go on to the other side. And this side of my hair is a little more difficult for me to curl. For some reason, I don't curl this side as good. I guess it's because of the way my arm has to extend, but I just feel like I don't curl this side of my hair as good. Now this hairstyle can typically, like if I actually put effort into the hairstyle, it can typically last me for like 2 to 3 days. If I don't like really, if I'm not hard on my hair, because sometimes I'm just like, I don't care. You know, when I leave the gym, I just like, I don't care. I just want to get the hair off of my face, so I don't really like take care of it. And I'm a little bit harder on this hair just because it's like store-bought hair, you know, it's not like expensive hair. Like again, I think this was all of like 40 bucks for 2 packs of 14 for all try. So it's not like it's virgin hair. I'm so hot. I have all these lights on me and I think I forgot to turn on the AC. I'm so hot. And I have these curlers. Guys, how does this foundation look on me? Because this is my second time trying this foundation in a different shade, and I just feel like at first I looked green with the first color and now I look red. And this is the Morphe Fluidity foundation. I know I'm so late to the game with this, but it wasn't at my Ulta. And I didn't want to buy it online. And there's a Morphe store that just opened up near me, like really close. So I went there and the first shade I got was like 4.110. And then I went back and got what did I get? I got, what is this? This is 4.100. And guys, when I put that on and it was like straight up by itself, I was red. I had to mix in like a lighter foundation because I was so red. So now from there, I'm going to use my flat iron because now I'm going to take care of my leave out and then blend my edges and then the top part with my hair. So now I'm going to take a little bit of charcoal dry shampoo, which looks like this. It's just a small little sample that I actually got from Sephora. I got it with my points. I've never even really tried dry shampoo until I got this. And I'm just going to shake this up and spray it on my roots and then rub that in. Because my hair, again, it's like really oily because it needs to be washed. So next, I'm just going to take a comb, a rat tail comb. This is my favorite comb, guys. I've had this since I was in cosmetology school, like 8 years ago. And I'm gonna take my flat iron. This is a Cortex. This flat iron is so old. When I say it's old, it's so old. And I'm just right now just straightening my hair. And I don't do my leave out every day. I'll do that every once in a while, but my, like again, my this store-bought hair, I can curl this every day. Like again, it was so cheap. But my leave out, I don't flat iron it every day. Like if it's messy, then it's just a mess. Like I'll put a hat on or something, but I won't keep flat ironing it. So now I'm gonna do the other side. I need my ends trimmed so bad. It's a mess. Okay, so next I'm gonna take a little bit of my Got To Be glue and I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges, which I am not the best at like laying my edges, like by any means. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like laying your edges is definitely like a skill. Like an art to this, guys, and I have not mastered that art. Like I don't like people lay edges like they put on lipstick, like, and I should know how to lay my edges because I have so many edges. My edges come down to my eyebrows, but yeah, I don't know how to lay my edges. I'm such an amateur. Like I don't know, like how people begin it. Like my hairstylist that I go to, she did my hair for my wedding. She laid my edges so nice. Oh my God. And she was like, April, all you gotta do is like go like that and swoop it. I'm like, girl, that's like me saying with makeup. I mean, all you gotta do is take the brush and blend it, which I mean, that's all you gotta do, but like, I guess because she does this like day in and day out, like it was so simple for her, but I'm like, girl, I don't know what I'm doing, help me. But no, she's so sweet. But this glue-in I did myself because I had no money and this was the next best thing. So so for this white part that you see right here, I'm gonna take my what is this, my Moroccan oil finishing spray. Can you see it? There you go, my Moroccan oil finishing spray, and just spray it right there. So it could look like a little something else. Like I want it to look a little bigger. I'm gonna take my Big Sexy hairspray, and this is with the 9 hold. And I'm going to hold my hair out and spray it. Same thing, I'm gonna hold my hair out and spray it. I'm not really concerned on like it looking messy because I like that messy look to my hair. I hate when I have like super neat curls. I look like I'm in a pageant or something. I don't like that look, so I like the messy look that this gives my hair. It's just so cute, so sexy. Alright guys, so that is it on how I style and curl my hair. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I've uploaded a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!